Okay, guys. Good morning and happy new month. So I just want to take you through although I studied on Saturday and I spotted some setups. It's my previous setups also, so I would just like to share it with you guys. Okay, sorry. I would just like to share with you guys. So before I share the new setup, I would like to reanalyze the markets again and know for any price any check for any setup available. So before that, I'm going to start with BTC. Then from BTC, go to the Forex pairs. So this will be all the Forex pairs I'll be analyzing for. On this my watch list. This is my main list. Then I'll go over to my red list. Then check for other pairs, the JPY pairs, the index also for indices. So let's start with BTC pairs. Okay, so starting from a lower time frame. So probably hide this. Okay. I'm going to take this search. Okay. So on BTC, I'm not having anything on BTC. We'll check the forward time frame and there's nothing yet happening on BTC. So although I'm looking for a setup because it's at a kind of a support level. So I'm looking for a setup on BTC. So we go down to let's say USD, which obviously there's no setup yet. It's been a while trading that. Check down. Okay, I should probably do this. I'm not going to talk much. This is GBP There's no sell. There's no buy setup, but we have a sell setup from last month. We have a sell setup from last month. Excuse me. This is what it actually looks like. I need to put on the daily time frame. What it actually looks like. So let's see if it's still valid. Let's measure this from the swing low to the swing high here. It's still very much valid because price has not have this over 50% replacement. So it's very much valid. This should be our trade idea. So also take this from the other block, but it's fine. It's fine. So to the next areas, they're always positively correlated, but for now we don't have any setup on areas. Let's get down to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay. So there's no significance here. Let's get down to odd jersey. Sorry, the odd jersey. And this is probably some good setup, but price already do what it did, trading to the 50% retracement, so I'm not going to take it. Okay, let me use this pointer instead of the cross. So this was supposed to be a shoot. There's no break. There's no break. These are equal. Same lows. Um, these are structurally protected low, but there's no break here. So we move. Let's check the 4. Let's check 2 hours time frame there. 4 hours time frame just in case. Okay. Okay. Let's check the 4 hour time frame. There's so much noise here. This seems like a slip to me, then tap into the other block. So I've already been looking for that buys on BTC, so the buys is going to happen very, very soon, sooner than you think. So this is what I'm actually seeing on all USD, but on a long term, I can't buy because of this. So I can't buy. Instead, I prefer to say sell setup. So this should be a sweep, but it's going to be a low probability because this low hasn't been taken out. So these are just internal breaks of structure, internal break of structure, or internal BOS. So I don't see. Let me just try to sketch something out here. So I'm just going to take this recorded class for the number of 3 minutes we have from Zoom. Once that means it's reached. So stop. I'm not going to host it again and just continue editing myself. This is actually what I'm saying, which kind of makes sense. Which kind of makes sense. Let's check the calendar to see if price actually triggered something. Wait a minute. So instead of me seeing this now, I'm seeing it as a shape here. This bell structure liquidity, this also, this, but there's no break here. So I won't be taking this. It's not making sense. On to the next. Okay, from the time frame. On to the next. This is already ready for buying, but so there will be no so there will no setup on lower time frame. Imagine we took this created. Just imagine taking this and buying this reckless buying. So we have on real GP. I'm not seeing a sweep here. I'm not seeing a valid sweep here. So this thing should stop coming up. Seeing that expected. See that expected our. I can just manage this with probably use it for our other block, which price are traded into it here. That's price traded to. Everybody move. So USD station. USD station. Let me check on the time frame. Let's see what price is currently doing. Because it's currently at discount. That's why it starts. Let's see if others. Check the weekly time frame to see the major trend. How's price been selling? How's price been buying? Every session, price has been selling massively. Want to buy properly. So we go down to a lower time frame. So this actually seems like a break of a BOS, but they take out this low. Why? Why? Let's go ahead. I'm seeing something, I'm seeing a sell, but judging for where price is at, And you can't take a buy here. So the sell seems valid from the immediate structure. You get. So let's go for that sell. We go for the sell. This food. Okay, this swaps this. Almost swap this also. This is forex.com. Let me check. Let me check this. Let me check. So, let me check on left and see. This soup so far. Almost same price. The soup is very, very little, but insignificant. So we are taking it. We are taking it. We are taking this. I'm going to validate. So this was a little bit. Hello, the type. So then I'll sweep this. It's just very also. And our structural liquidity. Okay, let me try to find it. I'm always taking time to set my coordinates right, so that pretty well valid. But it's still in 50%, I think. So it's pretty much right. Um, let's fish out our POI. Let me check on the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame seems very clear. PM out. Take care of the candlesticks. I thought I charges more sophisticated. And our protected eye is making sense. I don't even know if I'm trying to come in. Oh, by second, I thought you're not recording. So, we need to check it. So, let's place our sell, our short position. Breathing space. Okay. So we're it's a kind of transformation trade setup actually, because from this swing point to that swing low there, then price came into the premium of this structure here. took out all this highs, respected this and give us this. So we are taking this let me see that price action there. This is 45 minutes. I'll get to that. So next one, let's go to next. Where's the card? I should have something on odd card also. Where's the card? This is okay. So interesting. It's what I was going to take. Let's see if it can understand. Awesome. Let's see the far there. So where's the card? It's 9 years card. So I'm supposed to take this report. It is actually not the time. This is like a swing, but from year to year, judging from this part, it's not actually a swing because this swing low to this swing high is the one is a single swing. Let me just put it that way. It's not from year down year. Yes, it's from year down year. I take it as a single swing. Since this one been trading to discount, so we move to the next. I think I also have something here. And this trade is still valid to me. You asked from one weekly POI. So this is actually what I'm seeing on a weekly time frame. And that's what I'm taking this and you can see from this swing low to this swing high. That's what I'm taking this so it's still very much valid to me. Check it out. I prefer the power time frame. Yeah, it's kind of very easy. It's not like clear to me. So excuse me. Yes, now let's go for liquidity. So taking this. There's something I'm learning actually. Because price took out this structural liquidity here. There was this kind of setup. There was this and this million big price came, respected it and sold up. So I actually forecasted this. I saw it happening, but I just said, okay, let me give it time, let me just learn from it. So once structural liquidity has been taken out and we give you a confirmation entry on say a higher time frame, it's still going to make sense. So maybe we catch that later. Now I've learned from it. So taking 3 trade setups so far, taking all our boxes. I won't be taking this again. You already know why. From that swing high to this swing low, yeah. Guys already tap into the 50% retracement. So it's a bye bye for me. Set up here. Okay. Let's see if we can get set up on this. Most of you ask why I'm not trading the lower time frame. It's just like I don't know how to trade lower time frame or lower time frame are not profitable. They are very, very profitable. After this video, I'm going to drop a screenshot where I've tested lower time frame some months ago. I'm not taking this, it doesn't make sense. And I think I got 7 trades right out of 10 or 6 out of 10. So I'm still going to share that. I'll share it if I don't forget after this class. So this is how pretty much analyze market is called as my idol. Dark said down to top analysis. We look for the setup from the lower time frame and we go to the higher time frame to see what prices and where price is coming from. That is the context of the price. So we don't have anything here. Hot card, yeah, I have something on hot card and I can already see it. See kind of a minute. Okay. This is actually what I have on hot card. Price already there, liquidity just exactly what happened on you. So let's go this. Fucking exhausted. I'm really exhausted. I didn't get enough sleep last night. Exhausted. This is structural liquidity. This is like our type trade. So it doesn't make sense. So let's see what we have here. Let's see what's here. Okay. I already got an TML on this time frame. Unmitigated TML. I don't know why this is behaving like this jumping. Or is it because I'm recording? Because I'm not using a high power end system. Why am I taking this cell? Have we checked what the context of this cell is all about? Okay, let's go check it. Let's go check. Let's replace our short position. If you observe, I always used to give it. I used to do it extra. I used to do it extra. I used to give it extra space. My entry. So let's see if we can get 1:3 because 1:3 actually makes sense. There's a liquidity and a POI down here. So let's see if we can get 1:3. So I'm going to adjust this. Okay, better. So where's price coming from? This is just check the total time from. Okay, still making sense. Still making sense. still very much improvement. So I'm taking that up. It's a plus. It's a plus set for me. So you see how I analyze my trade ideas. Now I'm doing it with the community. So send. And nobody has joined yet. The sense is in morning hours, that's why nobody was able to join. Just like that. See, good morning there. I'll call you right back. I'm in a class now. I'm going to call you right back. Just give me a few minutes. Thank you. So, yeah, that was about 4 now. So, here's the say chef. You or I think that USD, you card. So, I don't use. Okay, let's see this. I'm not liking the break of structure here. But this is sweep, page, break. It's not that. Let's check on the that break is not. This it's good on this page. Really happy. Really happy. Really having much notification. So let's go there. Let's go there. I'm not just comfortable with this pick, honestly speaking, and this price action has already moved too far. So if you want to take it, you can. But I'm not going to take it. I'm not going to take it. Most of this price action usually fail. I'm going to take it. Say chef. This price reactive. This seems to be a soup. But no break. Okay. Session. Oh, jeez. Check that out session. I was having a setup here. I remember. But I had to get because person actually come for selling. So let's see what happens here. Use share. What do we have here now? Okay. 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 Yeah, there's also a rule section. There's also a rule section of any high like offense. Actually, okay, you have something on the higher time frame. So actually forgot. This is what we're looking for. Higher time frame. First structural liquidity has been taken out already, so um, me targeting one is to 4 year doesn't mean that we actually take it, but let's see what the market will have to offer. So let's check on the more higher time frame. See where price is actually coming from. So this pair has been selling for months or for years now. So that sell is very, very valid also. So that's why I wanted to swing trade this. See, this is what it's on the day. We are going to take a lot of time to for this trade. And if it actually trigger, that means we will chop TP next day or SNXD. But let's see what he has to offer. Let's see what he has to offer. Any other one? Other one. Oh, see, it's pretty much what I do every Sunday night, but I was unable to do it on last night due to the workload I was having. Okay, this is your odd. That's why I just tap into our UI. I was having your odd. Just the 15 slide. So I press over. Premium zone. Press stay. Premium zone. Let's go to your product and get for it. Better we stay off. Better we stay off. Better we stay Better we stay off. This is the feeling like, but the contest is what's keeping us away. Let's go. Let's see also. Let's see at the end of this section. For sales. For sales. Be fast. For sales. This setup is still what me take this day. Like, when will you buy? Once you build the structure here, you're supposed to just come and just take me and run it here. Or remove regardless. It's already invalid. Come with that watch list. So go to our red folder, our red watch list. Start from there. Sorry about this. Um, yeah. Price might likely take out this high. Let's see. Monthly also. Let's see here. We already have the soup and reports. Structural liquidity. But if you have engineered liquidity, is going to make sense. This is not a structural liquidity. Just some bunch of counters. Special. Why? Check. Maybe there's something happening. Let's say it makes sense. It doesn't make sense. Let's see. It's not always quick. It's anywhere from here to there. It's making sense. Session, excuse me, session is a very strong player. So that's sorry actually. A good this has a good Forex so it has a good context. Forex for I gosh. As a Forex for a bit for like a bit for rotation. So you prepare the whole rotation. You upgrade the level so we are taking this one and one we are taking this. It makes a good context. It is also good. So it's very beautiful. This is beautiful. I'll be taking this also. I told you I'm having a very good feeling about this month. I took some trade on only trading view. So far, how many trades have been sent to? Wow, 1 5. A bit over 4. We'll go to the next. That was, let me jot down the session people. Mm-hmm. Then, KGPY, no, KGPY. Yes, GPY. Let's check below. It says something like consolation set. Price better from this resistance. So, shit. Taking this as structural liquidity, the other ones are not. It's not big. Let's go in type 1 setup. Oh yes, very close to. So this is already taking far more than expected. So let's go. So here it is. So feel like you're asking from which point. Just doing like this structure. There was too much, so I had to like scale up a little bit. Try to see. Yes, I'm trying to see. Okay. So, rejection. So, confirmation by the so the first trader into this. Yes. Trader to for the break. Price also reverse. So it's like so this says making sense. But if we just do this POI before selling, before going to my POI, I'm not going to take it. Let me bring this a little bit down. What did I just say? But we have more sales and buys this week. No. Where's the POI? POI. US or guys, I think I'm going to see that on this page. It says looking very, very promising, but this is very triggered. This other blog now didn't cause any POS. So this is where the confusion is coming from. You can see it's not like the other blog caused a POS here. It didn't cost it, it just traded that into this other block. This other block here caused a PS, a break of structure that shifted price here. But this one didn't shifted any price. I'm looking at it from here now. I'm kind of seeing this get. So this is like a trend line liquidity. This is like a pattern repeated. So we are having this test. I'm going to take these buys instead of the sells. So buys make more sense than the sells. Buys make more sense than the sells. So this is actually what I'm making. I did this last week actually. As I said now, I want to trade the OID. But whenever to move like good. So I think that will be all. I'm done. I'm actually done. So thank you for your time. And I really welcome. I really appreciate you for your time. Thank you so much. And you guys can also to be part of my community. You can also join. The link will be in the description of this video that you can also tap and join. Where I share and I teach freely on my community channel, Telegram community channel. So you're going to see the link, you click, you join and be part of the community.